So there's numerous examples of invasive species coming into a community and causing widespread disruption. But what about the communities that we don't often encounter? These cryptic communities, and an example of this are parasites. Now, often when we think about parasites, we think about an individual species, often when it's causing disease. But wild animals often contain more than one species of parasite at any point in their life. And these parasites form communities of interacting individuals that also influence their environment, which is the host. So what I'm interested in is, can an invasive species impact on these parasite communities? And the way that I'm going to look at this is to look at parasitic helminths. And these are the worm-like parasites. And the system I'm looking at are these two small woodland rodents of Ireland, the native wood mouse and the invasive field vole. And at the moment, the vole is only found in the southwest of Ireland. So I can compare the intestinal helminth communities of the wood mouse, where they're not found with voles, and where they are found with voles. And the ways that an invasive species can impact on a parasite community is that the invasive species could introduce a new parasite to the mix. They might act as a dead-end host, diverting parasites away from the native host. And they may also provide an extra resource for the parasites, thereby increasing the numbers in the environment. What I found so far, very preliminary in my data at the moment, is that the wood mice, where they're found with the voles, actually have lower parasite numbers and fewer parasite species. But I need to do another year of data collection just to see if these trends hold. So why is all of this important? Well, any changes in community structure can affect the way that parasites interact with each other. It can also change the way they interact with their host. And the way that parasites interact with their host can go on to affect wider communities. Thank you very much.